Going to space is probably about the hardest thing you can do. If you can achieve it, you've done what is seemingly impossible.
Go ahead and load the candles.
Copy that. Loading candles.
I don't know.
Happy birthday, Max!
Blue line's met. Go ahead and proceed. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
In January of 2014, three young entrepreneurs by the name of Tom Markusik, PJ King and Michael Blum established Firefly Space Systems. By mid-2014, they purchased the equipment needed to create large-scale carbon composite tanks. Within a very quick time period, these tanks were tested at the Marshall Space Flight Center owned by NASA. And by late 2014, the company had an established headquarters in Austin, Texas, and a workforce of over 40 employees. And by late 2014, the company had purchased a 215-acre site for engine production and research and development testing of its product. Tom Markusik, one of the founders, was a former employee of SpaceX, Blue Origin, and even held a senior position at Virgin Galactic. This, however, would be the company's downfall. Virgin filed a lawsuit against Firefly, claiming that they had shared Virgin Orbit-owned intellectual property with the team developing the Alpha rocket. This caused their biggest European investor to withdraw. Now, to say that this was a setback for Firefly Space Systems would be an understatement. By October of 2016, Firefly had made all staff redundant, and by December of 2016 had ceased all operations. By March of 2017, Firefly Space Systems had liquidated. The company was purchased and renamed Firefly Aerospace by venture capitalist group Noosphere Venture. With new ownership came new ways to think about old problems, and soon the Alpha Concepts launch vehicle had its original design changed from aerospike engines to the more reliable and widely used pump-fed engines. In May of 2017, Firefly opened the doors of its new research and development centre in the Ukraine, housing up to 150 employees and the biggest 3D printer in the Ukraine. This printer is intended for high-quality industrial manufacturing, and by 2018, Firefly had started development of its Genesis moonlander. This was selected as one of 9 partners chosen by NASA for the CLPS, or Commercial Lunar Payload Service Program. On the 9th of June 2019, Firefly announced they had signed a partnership with Israeli Aerospace Industries to use the design for the Beresheet lander. However, due to the change in the requirements of NASA's Commercial Lunar Payload Service contracts, Firefly Aerospace swapped the plans for the lander with a new design for Blue Ghost. On February 2021, NASA awarded Firefly with $9.3 million to provide services for the CLPS program, which is a key part of its Artemis plan. By mid-2019, Firefly had made agreement to lease the Launch Complex 20 from NASA's Cape Canaveral Space Center and plan to develop its manufacturing facilities there. Firefly has been working on its Alpha rocket. This is a 2-stage expendable rocket system with a 1,000 kilogram payload capable to low Earth orbit and costs around about $115 million per launch. Its first stage is powered by 4 Reaver 1 engines, and its second stage is powered by 1 Lightning engine. The rocket itself is made from carbon fiber composite, and it's expected to make its maiden launch on 3rd of September 2001.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Burn, baby, burn.
O2's 9%. Diverter looks okay. Plan looks good. 12% O2. Give a plus count, please.
14.
Plus 15.
16% on O2.
Made it all the way.